3 to 4. There you go. So which is 0.4, this one. Then you join 0.4 back to 0.3, 4 back to 0.1, not 3. And the line of 1, 4 has to be parallel to the line of 2, 3. The line of 4, 3 has to be parallel to what? To the Roman figure line, where this Roman figure, isn't it? Or you can say 1, 2. These lines, they must be parallel to each other. So now we are going to construct our ellipse now. So we are going to use a number with an alphabet. A number with an alphabet, which means you place your drawing compass at a number point further extended to an alphabetic point. So how? By placing 1, place it at 1, further extended to what? To A. Let's do it. Now we draw it dark. Place it at 1 to A. So I draw and I stop at the line of Roman figures. This side I go down, I stop at a line of 4 and a 1. So that is why it was necessary for you to extend this line the time you're joining 4 to 1, to extend it a little bit down. You don't just stop there, you understand? So we placed our compass at 1 to A to get this arc. So this other side you place it at 3 and B. This is it. Then dark. There you go. Dark. So these lines are the one that are guiding me actually, that where to stop when I'm drawing this. Where to stop. So now to close this side. To close this side, I am going to place my drawing compass at point 2, further extended to point D. Place it at point 2, further extended to point D. Let's do it using a number with an alphabet. There you go. Dark. There you go. This is coming. Then to close it down, you are going to place it where? At point 4, further extended to point C. Let's do it. This is it. A 4 and a C. There you go. So this is it. So you must get something of this nature. So we are done with what? With an ellipse. But then you haven't finished the question. Remember, the question was like this is. Remember, this is geometrical construction. So you have to draw this the way as you see it. So we can follow it by what? Drawing drawing this circle and the hexagon, and that hexagon of ours there, it is across the flat. It's not a flat hexagon, it's across the flat hexagon. You understand? And it is attached to your point D there. So to draw that one, we are given diameter 52. So you are going to say 52 divided by 2, you are getting 26 millimeter. So open your drawing compass to 26 millimeter, isn't it? 26, this is 20, 25, this is 26. It's 26. Then from there I come and place it. So now, since I am not given the horizontal center line like on this one, so the horizontal center line of this cycle, after you've opened it, your drawing compass to the half of 56, which is 20, 52, which is 26. So you are going to place this compass along your vertical center line, but your pencil it has to start to draw at that point D exactly. So now I can draw dark. There you go. You draw solid. So like this you go. So fortunately enough, we can see Guti, the reference or the center point was actually exactly at 0.4. You understand? So we cannot rely on that one. We were not aware that they will be sharing the very same point, but it shows that we are still at a right track. So now I can put the horizontal center line of this cycle. Like this. I will stick together. Then from there, what can you do? We can now draw the across the flat hexagon. Across the flat hexagon. How? By placing your drawing compass at, let me put it nicely for you. Come and place it here into this point. Further extend to the center. Then strike an arc here and strike an arc here. I want to, at the end, I want to get across the flat hexagon. I place my drawing compass here at this point, further to the center. I strike an arc here, strike an arc here. So I come to the upper one. This is it. Strike an arc here, strike an arc here. You understand? Then from there, I can now draw this one. So that from here till there, and even this one. It's disturbing my camera. From here till there, solid. Then from here till there, solid. From here till there again, solid. From here, there you go, solid. Then you can conclude with this one. Right, so we've gotten our hexagon, which was across the flat. So the second thing that we can draw now is these cycles. So let us see their dimensions. So we are told from here till here is the half of what, of 18. So we are going to divide this into 2. So 18 divided by 2, we are getting 9, isn't it? 8 divided by 2, we are getting what? 9 millimeter, isn't it? So which means right from this point, we are going to measure 9 millimeter this side and 9 millimeter this side. So there is my 9 close by 10. So this is 20, this is 19, this is 18, and 0. You understand? After I've gotten them, I am going to construct faint line going down, faint line going down. You understand? I hope we are still together. Then from there, remember we are at the bottom of our ellipse. What are we drawing? This supporter. Then from here going down, they told us it's 28 millimeter. So from here till there, so going vertical down, 28, 30, 29, 28. It's this one. Then I am going to draw a horizontal faint line. After that one, we are told from there till there is what is 90 millimeter. So this vertical center line is actually equalizing everything, even including this 90 millimeter. So you're going to say 90 divided by 2 because of the center. You understand? So is 45, isn't it? There is my 40, there is my 50, 45. I just put my 30 millimeter ruler at 45, then I mark at 90 millimeter and 0. You understand? And draw. Understand? So we firstly get a correct recorded line before before we draw a line tag, before we correlate, before we measure a dimension. So you must get a correct faint line. If I'm saying correct, I'm saying correctly according to your t-square. Remember that your t-square, your drawing sheet has to be aligned in your drawing table. You understand? So that a vertical line it's at a 90 degree, is absolutely vertical, not at an angle. You understand? Again, your horizontal line is at a horizontal component, not like at a certain angle as well. So now we are told that from here going down is 13 millimeter, which is this one. From here till here, 13 millimeter. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Because 50, the 14, 15, isn't it? Then from there, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go like this, and then from there I can have this one dark. Without fear or favor, this one is going to be dark, and again from here till here dark. You see? And this one dark. That's the base of your bracket. That's the base of your bracket, and then from there till there can have it dark, can have it dark. Now like this. So we are done with the base of this bracket of ours. So now we have to show these two cycles, because we've got 2 cycles. So after we've gotten that, we are told from here coming this side is what is 25 millimeter. So 25 millimeter. So I am going to have a well recorded line first. You understand? So on top of that line I can measure my 25 millimeter, because where your 28 millimeter begins, what 25 millimeter. So there is my 25. I can mark there. Then after I've marked, so I am going to project a vertical center line, which is this one. Vertical center line. There it is. Then, which is this one, right? Then from there, what are we going to do? We are given a diameter 40. Then this dimension from here till here is what we have now, but we do not have this one from here till there.